Okay, friends, I am getting some ingredients ready for our next meal. Garlic honey chicken thighs. So we'll be using some garlic. I got that out. Some soy sauce. You don't have to use it, but just a dash of rice vinegar. But right now, what I want to do is use the small attachment for my onion chopper. We have many this is what I love about this. My favorite ones is this one and the one that I just showed you. But it's just so easy to chop. I know that I've showed you this before. Sorry, I know I seem a little bit aggressive. But the thing that I like, I don't have it out right now. Okay, it's not in my reach. But there is a little brush that comes and it cleans all of that out. So all that will be easy cleaning. If this might be something you're interested in, and it will be listed in the link below. I like that it catches everything in this little bowl. And then when I have a bunch of vegetables, I just do them all at one time in the same bowl. Okay, I am going to put some olive oil in there. You put whatever oil you like, okay? I am going to pat dry some of these chicken thighs. And then I want you to salt and pepper them, okay? Please salt and pepper them. I'm going to try to cook as many as I can. I'm having problems over here with my pepper shaker. Not surprised, because that's how stuff works for me. Oh, Lordy. All right, so we got this getting hot over here. I know one of the things I'm going to need is a half a cup. I did not get that ready. I'm going to do that right now. You can get your soy sauce out if you'd like. Okay, so the chicken is patted dry. It is salt and peppered. And now right here, we are going to throw in that onion. Remember that onion? Let's get that in there. And also, now I need to get one of my tablespoons. I love that set of measuring spoons. Heaping. Yes. Give us some garlic. Okay. Get that stirred a little bit. Okay, so now I want you to start getting some chicken in the pan. Yes, even with that little bit of fat on there, because we're going to use that, actually. I don't like it. I would cut it off. But sometimes you need the fat. Okay. You're going to cook that on that side for, let's say, 5 minutes, okay? Okay, I turned my chicken over several times. I'm going to take it out right now. I want to make a sauce, okay? Let's just get that chicken out, set it to the side. I'm going to pull the pan toward me. It's just easier for me to grab the chicken rather than bending over the stove. Okay. Okie dokie. So this is what this looks like. That's what we wanted. Now what we're going to do is we're going to pour some honey in there. 1 cup of honey. I didn't quite have 1 cup of honey, and honestly I don't think it's going to be a big deal, okay? Then go ahead and put a 1/2 cup of soy sauce. I'm using the low sodium. We will be putting our chicken back into the sauce. Okay, and then also I have some rice vinegar. Where was I going with this red rice vinegar? Oh my God. It's rice vinegar, just like a dab. That's it. Okay, and also just to even out the sweetness, I'm just going to also a dab of sriracha. That is not going to make it spicy. It'll even it all out. Well, as long as you don't do a big dab. But you know what? You do you, because it's your kitchen. Okay, so friends, get your chicken and get it back in that pan and just let it finish cooking. Let it absorb all those wonderful flavors. Yes, 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 yes. Okay, come on, pan, stay still. Everything just wants to move around on me. Perfect. Yeah, now we're just going to let that marinate in there. I am going to just rinse my pan. I mean, the chicken was cooked. I mean, everything is good, but I don't know. I think I got some OCD thing going on. Okay, good enough. Good enough. I'm gonna maybe try to wipe this down. Okay, see how it's cooking? Perfect, perfect, perfect. Yes. See the color getting into that chicken? Yummy. Yummy, yummy. And then we browned that chicken in the garlic and the onion, so it's got that little bit of crust on it, and there's where your flavor is. I can't wait to eat this. So as I'm cooking this, I'm like, oh, what am I going to have with it? I was thinking maybe some fettuccine noodles and put some butter, some peanut butter in it. I don't know, but I'm going to find out real soon because I'm so darn close to having this done. So the chicken is done, but I need to get myself a vegetable, and also I wanted to make some noodles and decided to go ahead and just use this sauce. It's sauce. It'd be great for the noodles. Okay, and while I'm cooking the noodles and getting my vegetable done, I'm going to turn this off, and I'm going to have it, like, because it's extremely hot, I'm going to have the chicken soak in the sauce, you know, so it tastes better. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I don't want to take the chicken out of the pan, so I'm going to just try to put a couple scoops of this deliciousness in the noodles. Move my pan over there. Let's see what this looks like. Okay, I need to turn my burner up a little bit more. And then also, I have some peanut butter. I know this is odd, okay? But let's just do it. Let's just do it. If you don't like peanut butter, leave it out. I just want to give the noodles a little bit different flavor than the chicken, okay? So I thought peanut butter, yeah. And not a lot of peanut butter, just a little. A little bit of juice, a little bit of peanut butter. Let that get hot together. And I also did some, God, the lighting just is not good. Carrots, a little bit of carrots. Actually, they're leftover carrots. Because this is the budget kitchen. We are on a budget and we do not want to waste food. Oh, there we go. I see the steam. And we got that chicken over there. I don't see right here. I don't know if you see that kind of bubbly. All right. Perfect. I'm going to get some of that chicken onto my plate. There we go. Turn that off. Oh, that smells good. So I use a fettuccine noodle. You could use any noodle you want, if you even want to use noodles, okay? But I thought that would have been delicious. And I'm going to scoop out some of my carrots. Okay, that looks good. So I really want to dig into the noodles and the chicken. Okay, I gotta admit, I'm just like totally excited about this. Okay. I have to put my plate down. This is hot. Okay, chicken is done. Ooh, everything is just so hot. I think I'm just going to try to take some taste of a noodle first. Holy crap, that chicken just burnt my finger. Oh, I'm coming back for seconds on that one. That's just too delicious. God, that's just perfect. Okay, I'm just going to take a little bite because my chicken is so hot. The chicken is moist. It is not dry. These were chicken thighs. You could do it with the bone in or bone out. I did bone out because that's what I had. Friends, this is so delicious. I mean it. It's so delicious. Well, to my taste buds, they are completely delicious. I'm going back for seconds. So, friends, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos, please subscribe. But always, friends, keep cooking, and I love you all.